Hello, hello. ने कहा आप देख लीजिए सबसे ज्यादा अति पिछड़ा समाज के लोगों को टिकट किसने दिया।
Hello friends, today we are going to cover how to make animation in Canva, and this is very fascinating topic because animation make our presentation more beautiful. So this is the most easy way to make animations. Okay, so first we have to know that what are the parts of the animations. Okay, what's the parts of the animation? Because whenever you want to make an animation, first you have to have a story behind that animation. Okay, some story you want to tell. If you don't have any story, you can't create any animation which is very beautiful or which is very creative. So first you have a story, some story, any story, like for story for an ad, story for a religious story, mythological story, or educational story, any story you have to have. And according to that story, we have to build our animations. So in the animation part, we have 4 to 5 things are there. First, one thing is story first. Second is the background. Background is needed. In which background you are making the animation. Okay, and after that we need some text to explain the story, and we can animate that text also. After that we need some images, and we uh, animate those images to make story more beautiful. And elements also come, text, and after images we need elements. Elements may be images, graphics, or videos, anything can be, it can be anything. You can add a circular design, you can make add a uh, pointer design, any design you can add, that is an element. So these things we need to make an animation. And so let's start. First I'm going to start with how to make animation with in text. Okay, because so first we are going to cover how to animate in text. Okay, this is the basic part. To animate text, first we have to log into our Canva, and this type of dashboard will appear. And after when this dashboard will appear, where should we go? We will go on any poster printable, where we make our animation or designs. Okay, so for text we have to go to the text, click the text. Now we click on the add heading. Now we write on here whichever text we want. Like I am writing text animation. Now you can change the fonts, color, fonts, everything from here. From here you can change the font color, font size, or font also. See, after setting the size of my text, I am now I want to animate this text. So what should I do? First I have to go and click this button animate. When we go to the animate button in the left side, this type of dashboard will appear. There are lots of animation for text is there. It's not for images, it's for text. That is typewriter. So typewriter animation is what that. If you click on that, it will appear that one word appear each time at a time. So first A will appear, after that NU, then U, then P, then K, then U, and then M, A, and R. Similarly, lots of animations are there. I will show you how it works. If you want any animation, just click here. The square will turn into black boundary. So the animation will be applicated. See when I use typewriter, see which type of animation is there. Okay. So you can adjust this animation for in the entry or the exit of your video, or you can adjust it. I mean, now let's make an animation on the video. So first, I'm adding a animation type. For animation, we have to select the text and go to animation. Now, these type of animations are there. Okay, so I'm going to first select typewriter. See, in the typewriter, which type of animation is coming? It's like typewriter. If we type in the typewriter, each word appears once. So let's see. See, this type of animation is there. You can animate it to both enter on. You can change the speed in the premium version also, in the paid version. Okay, And in the writing style, you can also change it to character or word in paid version. If you click to the word, one word will appear at a time. Okay. So this is I'm using the free version. So this I we can't use. So let's see. So when I choose on exit, so when the video ends, the animation will be there. Okay. If I choose both, on entry and on exit, animation will be there. Okay. So these things apply with all types of animations. Okay. Now again select animation, and first now I am selecting block animation. Okay. If you select block animation, what will happen? So if I go for ascend animation, the words will appear from uh, below to above. Okay. See, ascend, block, bounce, roll. So in different animation, different type of characteristic will appear. Whichever you want, you can use. I will later I will show you how we can use that. Okay. So if you use the rise one, okay, pop up, it will pop up. It will wipe, it will wipe up. Blur, it will blur. Okay. Succession, it will just increase the size. Breathe, any type of animations you can use. Okay. You can also use two animations at one time, in one bird or one line, anything. Okay. So you can do lots of permutation and combination. This is for you how to experiment it with, and whichever things you like. If you don't like the animation, you can remove the animations, all the animation. Click here at the bottom. Okay. All the animations will be removed. Okay. See, I have added two animations. I have added three animations. One is rotate, one is flicker, one is pulse. If I don't like anybody, I simply go and remove. Okay. I have removed all the animations. So whichever animation you like, you can just click on that. See, if I like this animation, if I click on that, this animation will come. A lot of options are there. Now, how we can use this text animation in anything? I am making a poster for Goa tourism. So first, what should I do? I should adjust a background. So I'm adjusting a video background. Okay, you can adjust a static background. You can adjust a video background. Now I am writing a text here. What should I write? I should write Goa because I'm making on Goa tourism. After that, I will change the text color of the text and adjust the size of the text. So you know how to adjust the size. Already I have told you. Now I have set the position. Now Goa is on second layer, so we have to adjust the layer and increase its size to full video. Okay, if you don't increase the size to full video, it will appear up to this part of the video. Okay, now I am applying one animation. So I have applied one animation, that is, let me back, animation. I have applied typewriter animation. See, animation and typewriter. Okay. After that, I am going to write another thing, that is tourism. So again, choose the text button, write tourism. Now I will adjust the size and color. Now I am choosing a gradient color. See how we will choose the gradient color. I have already told you. First click here. Now come to here, gradient. Whichever color you like, you can choose it. So I will adjust the text wherever I need. So I want to add some animation in the text. For that, I have to click on the text, then go to animation, and now I'm choosing the animation. Okay. So see which animation is looking good on that. We will adjust it. Now we're making another animation. So whatever we have learned earlier, we will use that in this. So I'm writing welcome to Goa. I'm changing the font. This all depends upon how you experiment, and you have to experiment it with, and whatever you like, you can use it. Okay. So again, I'm using a gradient. Now this I'm adjusting this text, and after that I want some, see, I like this spread one. So I use the click on that animation, and after that I adjust this text in the middle of the bridge. Okay. Okay. So one thing you see that on the layers, uh, this word Goa is up to there. So on the video, Goa will appear up to there. After that, it will go away, and then after that, tourism will appear, and after that, welcome will appear. You can increase the size of the tourism text also. If you increase the size of the tourism text on the uh, layers, it will animate up to that part of the video. Okay. So I'm using one by one, so that one text will come, another go, another one come, another go. So it won't look clumsy. Okay. So let's add something more. I'm increasing the size of the welcome. I want. Let's see how it's look. Let's go. Now it's the tourism. It's coming from the left side. Now it's welcome. It's spreading. It's spreading animation. See, welcome is spreading. Now after that, it's blank. We want to add something more. So we write welcome to Goa. Goa tourism. Welcomes you. Now I want to make this line in a circular manner. for that, what should we do? Earlier we have learned that first I have to click here, Goa Tourism, and go to effects. And in the effects, we will choose, see, first we click here, go to effects, and now go to the curve, ABCD. And now in the curve part, we go and adjust it in the circular manner. See, if you adjust it, you can adjust the it after adjusting it, we will place wherever you want. Now I am putting one element in that. So I'm choosing a graphic. So I am choosing a graphic of Goa that I will place in between the Goa tourism, what I have written. After that, I'm going to animate my text. So I will animate my text in the, so it will circulate. Okay. See, I'm selecting the rotate effect. Now we check that it's working or not. See, it's working. Now I have to adjust the text and the images. Now I'm adjust the first, adjust the image. Now I adjusted the text. Okay. If you want to change the position, you can change the position of the text and image to any other. See, simply drag it. One animation I'm adding into the element, and that is pulse. Okay. So this is the animation we have created using one background and one some text, animation in the text, and one element. Okay. If you want to add the sound, you can add the sound also. That I will teach you when we will. Now we have to download it in the MP4 video. We have downloaded it, and after downloading, we will see how it's look. So see, after downloading, is it looking good? See. So using all these things, we make a very good animation. So in this part, we have learned how to use the text, how to use create animation in text. Now we are going to use how to make animation in images. Okay, if we learn how to make animation in images, then we will combine the text and images both to make a good animation. Let's see. So for doing animation in images, what we have to do, we have to open our Canva and go to create. And from there, we are going to select one canvas. So for image animation, what we'll do, we have to select some animation. So I have written animals in the elements and selected one element, that is giraffe. So in this animation, what you can do, you have lots of options like shake, zoom, wipe side, old TV style, chrome wave. When if you go and click on this animation, you will see how the animation will behave, and according to you need, you can select anything. Okay, stretch, gradient. Okay, see, rising, pan, fade, pop up, wipe. So lots of variations are there. You can use it according to your need. Okay. See, lots of elements I am adding. Now let's make uh, a complete animations. For that, we have to open a video canvas. Okay, this is the video canvas we have opened. Now what we have to do, first I am choosing a background. I have chosen a background here. Now I am putting some elements. So first I am putting one element, that is a bird. Okay, I'm changing the background. The background is not looking good. I'm changing the background to a scenery. See, anything in the graphics, some, see, let's choose that. You have to drag it on your canvas and just spread it according to your need. Now we have a canvas, a background. Now in the element, I am choosing one thing, that is one is monkey. Okay, now I have kept the monkey here. Now I want to make monkey jump from one mountain to another mountain. For that, what I have to do, see, I have to go to the, I first selected the monkey and then go to animate. Okay, when you click on the animate, this type of dashboard will appear on the left side. On the left side, when you see the dashboards, one thing you see, this is custom. So I need a custom animation. For this, I have to choose this. You have to click here. When you click here, this type of thing will appear. Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to drag the monkey as according to your need. And see, the monkey will show same animation according to your uh, dragging path. Now, I am adding another element, that is one bird. I want to make to look like fly. So I can use another animation. So click on the image and the animation. Now I am using the tectonic. See this, when I use the tectonic, the bird is coming from left to right. Okay. After that, now let's add another element. See which element we can add. We can like this element I have added one rainbow circle, and I want to animate it. So I have to click on that and go to animate, and I want to rotate it. So what should I do? I what I have done, I go to animate and then select the rotate one. Okay, the rotate one effect. When I select the rotate one effect, see my circle is, rainbow color circle is moving. Let's add some more things. Now let's add a zebra and make zebra according to our size. Okay, and we want to make it walk along the grass. So we go to custom animation and drag this giraffe slowly towards from left to right. It will appear that it's simply walking. Okay. Now, if you want to add another thing, let's add one image of cloud. Okay. Now adjust the cloud and make some motion in the cloud. So how we can make the motion in the cloud? Click on the cloud, go to animation and use tectonic. See tectonic. So see, when you click on the tectonic, it will go from left to right. Okay. Now I'm selecting sun. So one image of sun. So I've selected image of sun, place it according to my need, and then want to make an animation. So click on that, go to animation, and I want to give it a pulse effect. See, when click on the pulse effect, see what's happened. Okay. Now we have already added 7 to 8 elements into that. Now I want something animated. So I write it in the elements animated. From the animated, what should I choose? I chose a butterfly, animated butterfly. As we have chosen the animated element, we don't have to animate it. Now, for butterfly, I chose a animated flower, and now adjust it so it looks good. Now, butterfly is going on the backward, so we are going to position in the layers and put the butterfly above the flower. Now, adjust it. If you want to adjust the size, adjust the size now. See, is it looking good? Now we want to add something more. What we can add? Let's see. So we want to add one person doing exercise there. Okay. So we have added. Now I want to add one rainbow. We can add a rainbow here. Uh, this is animated rainbow. You can adjust the size, and to look good, I blurred it. So go to transparency and keep it to 3 or 4. Now another thing I want to add. See what we can add. So it depends upon your creativity, what you want to add. From the element, see, I like this deer eating grass. Okay, so I have just dragged it here and adjust according to my size. I don't have to make any animations because it's already an animated character. Now I'm adding a rabbit also here. Okay. So here I got the animals. If you want anything more in the animated elements, you write animated, toys, animated, anything you write, it will come here. Okay. See, if you create this type of animation for children and make a story, see. So in this, I have already told you. Uh, you can make custom animation. You can make animation which are already available, and you can also use the animated characters. Okay. Now you have to adjust it according to where should it appear on the timeline. You can adjust it. Okay. See, I'm adjusting every element. When everything is okay, you can go and simply download it. Okay, go into download share button, click it there and download it. Okay, in the MP4 video format. When it is downloaded, you can see it that how it you can use it. So it will take a few seconds to download. So let's wait. One more thing I will show you how to make from this image and text animation. Okay, so using simple things you can make lots of things here. See, now the animation has been downloaded. See the full animation on the full screen. So first you have made an animation, and after that animation, what you can do, you can record a story in your voice, and then add that voice to that animation. You can make a bigger animation also. I am showing only how to make the animation. Okay. Now see, another thing I will show you. Now I am using everything: one background, one image, one animate element, and one animated text to make one presentation for a news channel, one animation for a news channel, like breaking news animation. See, so first I have to choose a background. Okay, I have written background. So let's choose a background. I'm not liking that background. I'm adjusting it. Now I've removed it. Now I'm going to select another background which will look good. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. So you can choose background according to your need. Now, I like this background. This is a light one with some rain, some flash effect is there. Okay. Now I want to add a animated globe here. So I have written animated globe. Now I have to go to graphics. So lots of globes are there. Okay, which are moving. Now I like this one. So just I drag it on the canvas and adjust the size according to our need. We don't have to make any animation in this because it is already animated. Now I put a text. So click on the text and write whatever you want to write. So I'm writing here breaking news. Now, if you want to animate it, what we have to do, we have to select it. First, I'm going to change the animation. I want typewriter. See, I just selected that, gone to animation and clicked on the typewriter. Okay, now adjust the size according to your need. Now one spelling mistake is there, so I will just click it and now adjust the animation on your timeline, on your video's timeline. Okay, see, adjust the layer and adjusting the animation time also. Now I want to put one more element, that is any logo of the company. So when we work from, yeah, make anything from any company, they will give us a logo, but we don't have the that logo. So I am taking that logo from the elements. Now I have put that logo, this work like an image. Now I want to make animate it, and I clicked it and go to pulse. See, isn't it looking good? Simple and good. Now only I've adjust on the timeline the size or duration of the animation. See, lots of things you can do. It's all depends upon your creativity. Now I've corrected the spelling mistake which I have done. Now I have to see okay or not. Now see, we have to run this animation. This is breaking news. Animation is there. I'm decreasing the size of the whole video, just dragging and pulling it on the timeline. Okay. Now share it. Now download it in the MP4 version. Now when you download it, it will take few seconds. It will take some time. Let's wait. It's downloaded. Let's see. When you click on the download, see this type of animation you have created simply in 5 to 10 minutes. So when we work on it, we can make good animations just by practicing. Okay. Now I will show you different type of animation that will be done on the image. So just upload the image and just see which type of animations available. Just click on the image, go to animation, and just click on any animation. You will see what will be the effect. Okay. So what I will do, I will make lots of copy duplication of that images, and I will show you. See, I'm duplicating my image and show you how the on each image I will show you different animations, and you can uh, just compare that how all the animation look likes. Okay. See, how all the animations look like. So you can see, simply see. Okay, simply select any image and go to the animation part, and you can select any animation. Okay, so these are the animations you can do to images, text, and to the elements. And after doing that, you can create an animated video. Okay, one part of that is this one. One thing I want to show you, this one is, this is called whiteboard animation. Okay, in this animation, what happens, whatever you want to write, that will be written on the board like somebody is writing. Okay, that's why it's called whiteboard animation. So this is the whiteboard animation. I will also show you how to create it. And another animation is that you can create this type of see, this type of animation. In this animation, light will going up and down. Okay, so let's I will show you how to you make this animation. So first you have to go to the Canva dashboard. Okay, use the video one. Now click on that first. Choose a background and adjust on it. Okay, now we have to put some images here. For the images, we have to go to element. Now I have written Halloween, or I will write, no, it's not there. So I will write witch. Okay, now all the graphics of the witches appear. Now I simply drag whichever images I want, because all the images are black and the background is black, nothing is visible. Okay, lots of elements I'm adding. Okay, let's see. Now, on the canvas, if you want to see, nothing you will see, but one effect I want to show you, that you can make this effect, and this effect looks very good. Okay, after that I am adding some animations in the images, so I'm clicking on the image and then go to animate and make some animations. Okay, now after that, to make a light effect, what should I do? I have to go to the elements, and in the elements I will write light. Okay, so when you go on the graphics, some lights appear. So I will select one light here. So I will selecting one yellow light here. That this one is good. No, 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 no. This one, this yellow is good. So I click it and drag it here. Now I adjust according to size. Now I want to make the animation. So for that I have to click on the image, go to animation, and now I'm going to animation of the light and a custom animation. Now the drag this light on the various part of the canvas. Okay, after completing, I will release the mouse and see this type of animation will appear. Isn't it looking good? So if you like it, then download it and after downloading you can see this type of effect is there. And now if you want to learn that whiteboard animation, that I will also show you. Let me see, where is that? For whiteboard animation, you have to go to the poster. First, go to the poster, okay, and write whatever you want to write. Okay, so I'm writing one whiteboard animation here and putting some elements also here. I've written whiteboard animation. Okay, after that I'm putting some elements here. For that, okay, I've put the YouTube element, Canva live 18th November 9:30 p.m. Okay, so everything we can adjust. You already know how to uh, put this things here. Okay, so after adjusting everything according to our need, we go to apps. In the apps, we write speed painting. Okay, in the apps, we are going to write speed painting or speed painter. When you write, lots of option will appear. Click in the first one and then sign it first. You have to open it and sign it. Now it will allow you to make the animation. You can make the animation for 3 seconds, 5 seconds. You want fill with colors, you can use it. You, which type of hand you want to use, you can use that hand. First you have to sign from for that app. This is a third party app available on Canva. See, this type of animation, now you create add to design. It will appear on your canvas. Okay, see, this type of design is there. Now if you want to make this design much bigger, we have to make on this video canvas. So select, we have to select the video canvas first. Now same thing we are going to make on video canvas, and similar process we apply to animate. Similar process will apply, okay, on the video canvas. One benefit of video canvas is that we can stretch the video length, make it a bigger one. See, when you apply, animation will create. Now we will, the animation has been created. We will click on add to design. It will appear on this canvas. Okay. Now adjust this design on your canvas according to your need. Okay. But just see that Is it okay? You can reduce the video speed. If you reduce the video speed, the video will be bigger. See, this type of animation you can create. I've stretched the video by just pulling it in on the timeline. Now it's if you stretch the video, it will become more slow. Okay. When you liked it, download it. You know how to download it. Just download it and go to the, when it's downloaded, see it's downloaded. Now go and see that how does it looks. See, so isn't looking good? So these type of animations are present in Canva, and if you use it and practice it, you can make very good animations from here on the free version also. Okay. Now I've also written a book for you on how to make animations. Okay, the detailed book is there. If you if you read it, read the book. I will share on the group. If you read the book, uh, you will know the different techniques. Okay, and everything in detail is there. I will show you. See, this book is there. So this is the complete guide to Canva animation. Okay, and I have mentioned everything there. Lots of thing there. Okay, the complete guide to Canva animation, master every technique in 2025. Everything is there. Fundamentals are there. Okay, page animation, creating dynamic and transitions. Lots of things are there. Elements in animation, making entrances. Okay, like every animation style has been explained here in detail. So go and use this book. I will share on our group, and you can simply use it. So that is all for today, and and friends, that is all for today. Hope you like that class. And one request: practice it. If you practice it, it will make you perfect. And on Friday, we are going to cover one more part, that is how to make logos, because every company and every organization need logos. So how to create logos from Canva, also from other sources also, but I'm covering how to make logos from scratch or from templates or from AI in the Canva. So our Friday topic will be logo. If you have any problem, you can talk to us. And one more software is there, that is Kittle. Uh, once this software is like Canva, but it is more advanced than Canva. So when we learn and practice Canva, after that we are going to the learn Kettle also, because in Kettle you can make design more beautiful or more creative designs there, and lots of adjustments are there which Canva is not providing. So first learn Canva. After that, I will also teach you how to use Kettle for your creativity purpose. Okay. So let's meet on Friday at 9:30 p.m., which is our time, and there we will cover how to make good logos from Canva using templates or from scratch or from AI. Okay. So thank you and good night. Let's meet on Friday at 9:30 p.m. sharp. Thank you.